Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Try TV. Jason here, and today I bring you another review. This time we have the Vivobarefoot, specifically the Primus Trail II FG Men's. This is not a sponsored review. If you're new to the channel, subscribe is greatly appreciated. Like the video, and let's move forward. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing and comparison of these three different boxes, the exact same shoes, just different sizes. But before I get into that, I want to give a shout out to Ross Anvil's YouTube channel. He actually made a video comparing 4 barefoot shoes, and one of them happened to be the Vivobarefoot. And he went over the quality, comfort, and way into detail, and he even cut the shoes in half, which was wild. I'll leave the link down below so you can check out that video. So to start off, let's go with the pricing. So these here, I actually got off their main website, and which is the Vivobarefoot.com, and I actually purchased each of them for $160, and I got a total of 15% off my first purchase, which came out to be $136 each. I'll leave the link down below. If you like to use the referral code on your first purchase, you will also get a 15% off as well. I got these three because it was difficult to determine the actual shoe size I should get, but luckily Vivobarefoot does offer 100 days return from your date of order, which was great. Some background: I used their virtual web app that they had on their website originally to place my foot down on a piece of paper. I think it was 8.5 by 11, and it would scan it, and then it would suggest you the size. And every time I did that, it would give me a size of 10, but recommended to order size 11 because they should order a bit one higher. And I was like, no way I'm a size 11. That's wild, because normally, depending on the shoe and brand, as everyone knows, they're all different, but I'm usually between either an 8 or a 9, somewhere between there. But now when I recently checked, actually, they, I guess, updated because they no longer have the virtual web scanning thing for your foot. Now they have this piece of paper. Basically, they ask you to step on and measure out to potentially get the correct foot size. Right here you can see this is the men's, this is the women's right there, a little smaller, and then they also have for toddlers, kids, and juniors right there. So let's give this a test out and see if we can get the correct shoe size. Again, that's the main reason why I got all three here, because I didn't know exactly what to order. So I could give it a test drive and see which one fits the best. But let's start off with this and see if this can give me an actual correct foot size before we even put anything on. So I'm going to put my foot right there at the end where it says, okay, that looks right. And that looks good, right? That looks good. Looks like I'm doing it right. And it looks like I should be... See, and that's weird, because now it's saying I should be a size 13, which that doesn't sound right at all either. So I don't know what they're doing, really. The web app was weird and gave me a size 11, and this is giving me a size 13, so I'm not sure what's going on. I really doubt that's the correct size, but we will find out as we test these three out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do an unboxing. I'll just do it on the first one, and the rest are going to be the same, obviously. You can see here that they have the European sizing. They have the 41, which is a size 8, the 42, which is a size 9, and the 43, which is a size 10 American. And you can see the shoe of the box, actually, they get a little larger with this shoe size. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Okay, here we go with the size 41, or AKA US 8. Let's open it up, see what we got. All right, cool. Your barefoot journey starts here. Scan me. Hashtag live barefoot. Okay, cool. Pretty empty in here. Nothing too wild. Just a shoe. No tissue or anything. Okay, cool. Let's get the shoes out. Let's take a look at them. They look cool. They look very, very cool. Very nice. Let's give it a nice 360. I wonder if they've been used. Look at it. It has stuff underneath. Hope not. Should be brand new. They look cool. No laces. It has a little zip tightening cable. And let's get rid of the cardboard inside. There we go. And verbal recycled. Yeah, very cool. 41. Speaking of recycle, Virbo also has the Reverbo website as well, that basically to save shoes from the landfill or waste, you could actually submit them there, and if they're able to fix them up and give them new soles, they'll do that and resell them at a cheaper price. So it's always good to check up there to see if they have some good pricing on the shoes you might be interested in. So yeah, that is neat. Nice 360. All right, let's get the rest out. All right, there you go. That's all three of them. We got the 8, 9, and 10s. You can definitely see that they do get a lot larger. Let me grab the 8 and 9 to give a straight comparison. All right, we got the 8 here and the 9 over here, and you can see that there is a big difference right there. Let's grab the 10 as well. 10's right here, and man, that is a massive difference. So the next thing is I'm going to put some socks on because I am barefoot right now, and we're going to test these guys out. So I'm going to put on these Puma socks that I got from Costco to try these shoes on. But I did see that they do have some nice toe socks, wool toe socks, that are being offered by Vibram, M Magic Sport, which I saw on Amazon, and Injinji toe socks that are made with some wool in it. I want to get them and test them out and see what which one would be better. I'll try to make another video on that as well. But for right now, we'll go with the good old Puma Costco socks. Okay, cool. We got the socks on, and let's start off with the 8s right here and see how they fit. Now, give me a second. I'm gonna put them on. All right, we're gonna loosen up the strap there. You just have to pull like that. There you go. Make it nice and big. Fits the foot. Nice brand new. Oh, there's a nice little brand new sticker in there. 41s. All right, let's pop them in. Okay, so first thing I can tell you, these are a little tight. I can definitely feel my toe hitting right there. Yep, these. I don't know if you can see right there. It's hitting it right now. So I think these might be a little too small. Let me get the 9s real quickly. The 9s right here, aka 42. Here we go. Let's put them on. All right. All right, these definitely feel much better, more roomy for my foot at least. You can see it's barely hitting. It is hitting, but barely. Right there, feels good. What I'm gonna do, I think that's my left foot right there. I think with my right foot here, I'm gonna put the size 10 just to comparison, and you can see as well. Here we go. Size 10, aka 43. And one thing that I noticed also that I should have mentioned as well, all of them, you can pull out the actual inside liner. That's pretty cool, I thought. And I guess replace them when need be, and look, it even has it again. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Let's pop it back in. Tighten it up with the straps. All right. And presto. So there we go. We got the 10 on the right foot, and we got the 9 on the left foot. So honestly, so the 10 feels super spacious. Like there's a lot of space, and I think the 9 is going to be the best. It does. I can feel my toe hit just right there, but barely. So I don't think my feet are growing anymore personally. So I think I'm going to stick with the 9. So let me get the 9 on my other foot, but honestly, it feels nice because there's so much space over here. Like all this is empty, so maybe it is too loose. Yeah, I think the 10 is too loose. The 9 is perfect. Let me get the 9 on the actual right foot. I'll be right back. All right, we got the 9s on both feet this time. Yeah, it feels pretty good. Feels good. Like I said, I do feel my toe hitting right there, but barely. So I wonder how it's going to be like during a jog or even a run. Maybe my toe hits it too much and it gets raw. This is going to be something I have to test out and obviously make another video about. But as for fit, I think this is it. This fits the best so far. I want to say definitely for fit. And I know it's difficult because even on their website, they recommended to go one size up. So let's just say I did go with a 9. I only got a 10. I think it took about a week to get here when I ordered it. And it would have been another week to send it back, another week to get another one. It would have been very time consuming. So that's why I ordered all 3 sizes. And then luckily with their 100-day return, I'm going to be able to return 2 of the pairs and get that money back. But yeah, I think 9 is definitely a win for me personally. Let me know down below what shoe size that you wear and how many times you had to try different shoe sizes from Vivobarefoot till you got your right one. So now what I want to go do, I want to go outside and try different terrain on the pavement, on grass, and see how everything feels with these bare feet. If you like to order a pair for yourself and it'll be your first time ordering, I will leave a link down below where you can use my referral link for 15% to save on your first order. All right, you guys, backtrack. I just spoke to Nicole about the shoes, and she told me that I should go a size up from the 9s to the 10s. The reason being is because remember how I told you my toe here, I can feel it just barely, and she said, obviously if you keep using the shoe, it's going to keep rubbing, it might go raw. And I was like, I said that mentioned earlier as well. So I'm sure that potentially will happen. You can see there that my toe, not my middle toe, but the toe next to my big toe, it is a little longer. So that's why it is rubbing against it. But when I put the 10s on, I didn't feel that at all. So I think I'm going to go with the 10s actually. All right, 10s are on, and yeah, I definitely don't feel anything, especially every step I take. It is a little loose. You can see my foot move around, but I think if I tighten the straps here a little tighter, it should fit, because you can see here, there's still a lot of give. But, it did get longer, so what I did is I made a little bow, and that's about it. But I'm going to tighten these up even better, and then we'll head outside now. All right, just walking around outside with the Vivobarefoots. Prism 2, and yeah, so far they feel great. Let's see if I step on that. Okay, cool. Yeah, it feels like a normal shoe. Honestly, I wish it would they would come in half sizes, because I think at size 9.5 would have been perfect for me. I know they don't come in. It's just full regular sizes, no half sizes. Let's step on some grass. Yeah, it doesn't feel too different, honestly, from a thinner pair of shoes, sneakers, or anything like that. They feel good. I know for everyone it's going to be very different, because what I've been reading and seeing on YouTube, it's that everyone's body and feet and hips structures are going to be very different. I know there's some pros and cons with these barefoot shoes that they say. So for everyone's going to be different. It might take different time for people to get used to it. I saw ranges anywhere from like the day you get them to like 6 months it could take for you to get actually used to your barefoot shoes in general, not just the Vivo. But yeah, I think these are fine. I know there is a I don't know, quote unquote correct way to take steps. It's like heel, ball foot, or ball foot, heel. I have to do more research and see on that. But I'm just walking normally like I usually do. And they feel great. I wish I had more rocks or something I could step on so I can tell you exactly how that feels. But let's see. Let's get to the back and see what we can step on there. All right, here in the backyard. Feels all right. Let's see. Stepping on pine cones. Yeah, I mean, I could definitely feel the ground better, a lot better. And, but like I said, it feels like a thin pair of sneakers, maybe like Converses, something like that to compare it to. Maybe just a little thinner, but you can feel, here's some rocks, here we go. So like, yeah, I can definitely feel that. But it's not like stepping on a Lego or anything like that. It's not painful like that, which is the nice liner that it has on, and I'm wearing socks. So it does give an extra little cushion. But I think what would be better is actually, you know, wear them for maybe like about a month or two, do some light jogging, running, and then get back with you in a video how the shoes are holding up. But I mean, overall, these feel pretty good. I'm not complaining at all. I think these are definitely a long term for me so far, but obviously I'll have to get back to you on that. Pine cone right there. Yeah, I could definitely feel it, but it's not horrible. It's not a horrible feeling. It is nice that these shoes are fairly thick and rugged, as you can see from the soles. Here, let me show you again. Pretty cool. But yeah, if you like this type of content, subscribe, like the video. Again, if you want to try out a pair of Wearable for the first time yourself, you can go use my referral link down below. Save yourself 15% on your first order. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.